On the silent slopes of San Nazzaro, a polygonal concrete mass slowly emerges from the landscape, as if carved directly from the soil and rock that have shaped this region over millennia. Overlooking sparkling Lake Maggiore and the imposing silhouette of the Alps, the house embodies a profound dialogue between architecture, nature, and time. It does not appear as a striking object, but rather as a calm, grounded, and contemplative presence. The rough, textured, exposed concrete facade envelops the building like a stone skin, capturing light, shadow, and weather changes in a constantly changing visual spectrum throughout the day. In the morning, its surface reflects soft light, while dusk brings warm hues that soften its monolithic character. Vines slowly creep up the walls, emphasizing the natural process by which architecture and nature embrace each other, growing together in silent harmony. The living room, dining room, and kitchen are woven into a single, flowing interior landscape without rigid boundaries. The visual connections between the spaces are left open, allowing for natural and fluid social interaction. A domestic atmosphere is created not through ornamentation, but through the play of proportion, light, and texture, fostering a warm, intimate, and grounded atmosphere. The open kitchen serves as the center of home life. This is where daily activities, casual conversations, and family togetherness take place. Light from the courtyard illuminates the work surfaces, while large openings provide a constant visual connection to the landscape. In its simplicity, the kitchen transforms into a vibrant social space, connecting domestic rhythms with the cycles of nature. On the middle floor, the bedrooms are designed as quiet and protected retreats. Small openings, indirect lighting, and careful orientation create an atmosphere of calm and stability. Here, the architecture facilitates a respite from the hustle and bustle of the world, creating an introspective and reflective quality of space where the body and mind can fully rest. The vertical journey continues to the roof terrace, an open space that serves as the spatial climax of the house. From this highest point, panoramic views of Lake Maggiore and the mountain range unfold without limit. Wind, light, and the horizon merge into a meditative experience, offering moments of deep contemplation between heaven and earth. This is not just a residence, but a spatial journey. Every transition, every opening, and every change in light is designed to slow down time, inviting the occupants to be fully present in each moment. This house does not insist on grandeur, but rather offers tranquility as the ultimate form of luxury. The building's form follows the contours of the steep site, creating a layered and dynamic spatial composition. Its polygonal geometry responds to the boundaries of the site, the direction of view, and the orientation of the sun, resulting in a complex yet controlled spatial configuration. Every corner of the building appears to be conceived with full awareness of the surrounding landscape, striking a balance between the rigidity of form and the softness of nature. Through honest concrete expressions, sensitive spatial composition, and an intimate relationship with the landscape, Wespi de Meuron Romeo Architects presents an architecture that transcends function. A home that teaches the meaning of simplicity, silence, and closeness to nature. A place where humans, space, and time intertwine in eternal harmony.